Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed today's tater tot casserole video. What I wanted to do today, I had an idea for what I was going to make, but brain fart. Oh, what was I going to say? Oh, I wanted to use up this cream from the other video. I wanted to use this cream up. So I decided to make this. I'm going to make some pasta for dinner. And I might actually do the other video this Sunday. And just be a week ahead, which is always nice in case something happens. I get sick or nothing sounds good, or I end up just, grabbing a burger somewhere. But let's get busy. Making I'm going to make cream of... I'm probably going to make cream of chicken soup. Or make soup from scratch. But I'm going to put mushrooms in it because I like those. I'm also going to steam up some broccoli and also boil up some corn. So I'm going to have a lot of veggies going in this one. Alright, so I got my Dutch oven. I'm going to start heating this up. Get some olive oil. Got some chicken I need to start cutting up. Come on, camera. And the focus sometimes. So this is so what it is, I have 2 chicken thighs and then 1 chicken breast. So let's go ahead and chop all these up. Alright, so I got my chicken thighs going. I've got water on for corn on the cob, and pasta. Got those going. I got my chicken all diced up, ready to go. So as soon as the thighs are cooked, I will move the thighs out and put the chicken breast in. And if you're wondering what seasonings I use, well, I actually always use the same seasonings. So, it's salt, cayenne, paprika, a little bay, a little rosemary. Just use what you have. Some thyme would be good, but I literally just thought of it. As soon as that is done, all right. It should be good for the thighs. Get my chicken breast in here. Can I reach? Barely reach my olive balls. A little oil for the chicken. There we go. Same thing. A little seasoning. Paprika. A little bay. A little rosemary. Oh, I forgot garlic. How could I forget garlic? Put a little extra garlic in there to make up for the lacking in the other one. Sweet. My pasta water is starting to boil. This is just penne pasta. I'm going to go about 2.5 cups, I think. I got a lot of plates spinning over here, so yes, I'm using the handle to stir. Do what you have to. Corn's in. I'm really just waiting for the chicken. I don't know if you guys can see all that amazing coloration down at the bottom. That's all flavor. Unfortunately, I'm out of chicken stock, so I'll have to use hot water, but I want to not waste any of that goodness. Put a little water in there. I gotta put mushrooms in here still too, so. And chicken looks to be about done. Cut it with just cut it in half. You can see the white in there. So yeah, let me get that out of there. Okay, unfortunately I had to do some of this off camera because I quickly cut up my mushrooms after I took the chicken out, but then my burner, as you can see, well, I just turned it off because I'm going to turn it back on to medium, but I threw a cup of hot water in here and I just scraped all of that awesome fond because it was starting to burn on the bottom of the pan because the burner was going apeshit. So go ahead and throw the chicken back in there. So I got chicken, mushroom, I don't want to lose any of that goodness. So, okay. I'm going to turn the heat back on low. Hopefully the burner won't go nuts. Got the pasta boiling up. Broccoli is steaming. Pasta's boiling. I'm making a mess. Turn down the corn a little bit. So, give this another stir. I think I'm okay with the amount of water in there. I'll go ahead and throw the cream in. I'm just gonna pour it all in there. There we go. You know, I just realized I totally forgot the flour for the roux because I was running to get everything done, so I don't have any thickener in here. That could be a problem. I may have to throw a quick roux together, which is really not that big a deal. It's just some butter and flour, which I'll have to do. Damn it. Alright, so I got a pan started that's smoking, and then I'll just mix that together real fast and just pretty much just dump it straight in there and then stir that together. Alright, this might be hard to see because you know, it's on the back burner, but there's some flour in there. Stir that till smooth. And get that in the pot. Get that mixed in. Hopefully it's enough. Turned up the heat to about medium high. Because I just spilled flour, because, you know, that just happens. Darn it. Alright, so what I also want to do is use my microplane and get some lemon zest. I think it would be good in there. Get rid of the sticker. Well, oh, pot's at boil again. I'm just so you basically just plane it in and knock the zest in. also going to add the juice of a lemon as well. Oh yeah, that's thickened up nicely. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. That's so much thicker. It didn't take a lot of flour either. Okay, put that on medium-low and let it nicely simmer. Oh yeah, I'm really happy with that consistency. And a little pro tip, you can, when you squeeze your lemon, just squeeze it over your fingers and then let your fingers catch the seeds. Just like that. And then you can take the lemons that you have left over. Don't throw them away. Just chop them up and run them through your garbage disposal in your sink, so it freshens it up. It doesn't keep the sink down. I gotta check the pasta here. It actually feels pretty hard still, so I don't think it's quite ready. I think the corn is probably ready, so I'll just kill the heat on that. This should be ready soon, very soon. Probably only has about a couple minutes. Now, I think it's, if I was going to be baking this, that'd be fine, but I'm not going to bake it. I'm just going to pour everything in and then just stir it and eat it. So the pasta is done. Pour that off. Just going to throw it right into the mix. Where's my spoon? Stir that all together. Nice, and I think 2.5 cups of was good because it's got a lot of sauce going on in here. And then, because it's down to only a few minutes, just because I like it, add some broccoli. Sweet. I'm gonna stir that in there. I happen to like broccoli, so. Alright, that looks pretty good. That's gonna be like dinner for the next several days. Alright, so corn is drained. Let's dish and eat. So there you go. Alright, can't forget, got a little Parmesan cheese. Alright, let's check this out. Here's the pasta. Wow. Piece of chicken. Oh man. Oh yeah. That's really good. Suppose you get that little bit of citrus coming through. Oh man. Alright, clean plate, and that was good. I could probably almost eat, I actually went back for seconds, got a little bit more. Could probably eat a little bit more after that, but then I'd be sitting around with a stomach ache, and that's just not good for anybody. Anyway, delicious, pretty, you know, I mean, it was a lot of juggling, but it was actually fairly simple to put together. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the end screen for the cast iron playlist. Cast iron cooking playlist, and then also last week's video And then also, yeah, and have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. See ya.